I know Alyssa has put so many hours into planning every detail of this beautiful event, and it does look amazing. You see, having a sister is one of the greatest blessings in life. A sister is a gift to the heart, a friend to the spirit, and a golden thread to the meaning of life. I have watched you grow into the gorgeous, intellectual woman that you are today, and I'm extremely proud. Okay, to John. We have prayed for you for a very long time. We trusted God's timing on when you'd enter Alyssa's life, and sometimes it felt like you waited a little too long. But God's timing is always perfect.
A number of years ago, when the rite of holy matrimony was reset and retranslated from the original Latin text and given to us throughout the church, this moment of greeting was reclaimed from antiquity in a sense. It is this moment before you enter into the sanctuary, the place of the offering of the sacrifice of Christ and his self-gift, and also the place where you will make this gift of self to one another, that we have the first opportunity to greet, and simply to remind you of the sacredness and the wonder and the beauty and the worship of God which you initiate on this day. So that every action of your lives may be a celebration of God's goodness and a praise of God's greatness. With that simply said, please come forward and enter into the sanctuary.
So, very, very proud of you, John. I really wish you guys and know that no matter what marriage brings, you guys are faithful human beings, and I just can't wait to play with your kids and just see the things that y'all are going to bring into this world.
Because this is not just a civil ceremony. This is, as was said in the very beginning, an act of worship.
Before I get started, there's a couple of things I need to do. The first one's gonna be a little rough.
What Jesus says is, if you will trust in me, blessed are you in every moment when you will put yourselves on the line. And in a sense, what Jesus is saying is, as I put myself on the line, when you will do those things, then blessed and happy will your lives be.
Almost all of our family is here, all of our friends, but there's one person that we all wish was here. And that's John's father, Mark. You know, I missed out on meeting, I think, a pretty special person because I can see in John what his dad was like. Got to see Alyssa for the first time, all dressed up in her dress today, and as usual, she smiles like all the time. And she was really, really smiling today, and John, that's because of you, my friend.
Because then you will have more than simply the happiness of the world, because what you will have then is the joy of the kingdom. That's what you're choosing today. You're choosing that kind of trust.